Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, today I'm starting a 3-part series on vegan cheese. They're really easy, as you'll see today. I'm going to do a liquid mozzarella. I never knew anything like that was even necessary when you had regular mozzarella. But I started to see people talking about this pourable liquid mozzarella, the vegan one, and saying how great it worked on pizzas and other things. So I thought I'd give it a try because there's a couple things I look for in a recipe. Does it sound like it's good? And does it look easy? This one fit the bill for both. So yes, today I'm going to do a liquid mozzarella. All the cheeses that I make use cashew pieces. I just get the Trader Joe's raw cashew pieces, and you soak them in hot water so they blend up real easily. It's all made in a Vitamix, a high-powered blender. You will need that for all the cheeses. And then it includes onion powder, salt, avocado oil, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, water, a garlic clove, tapioca flour that binds the cheese, and optional, you can use a little pickle brine that gives it a little more, as the chefs like to say, umami, which is a rich, deep flavor. I really think you'll love this, so let's get started. Alrighty, now all we do is add all the ingredients to the blender. For this, the cashews were soaked a half an hour in boiling water and then drained. And then we just add in all those liquids. Nutritional yeast. Now, I'm actually making half a recipe because it does go a long way, and well, I'm not planning on making pizza for at least another week. When using tapioca powder, I do warn you, it is very, very powdery and a little messy, so plan on it getting over a little bit on the counter and on you, but all is good. I'm going to run the blender and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. As you'll see in the recipe that I included below this video, you start by blending at a very low speed and slowly turn the blender up to high speed. With this particular cheese, I blend for about a minute or so. I turn it off, I let it sit for a little bit, I blend it again. I kind of rinse and repeat. I do that a few times until it's all blended up. Now, also, in addition to the recipe I've included in the link below this video, I've also included a link to the website, my newsletter archive at www.sternchiro.com, where I've got over 25 years of health and wellness newsletters available to you at your fingertips. It includes recipes, it includes all types of health and wellness information that you and your family can enjoy. Please, if you like this recipe, if you think someone else might like it, share it with your family, friends, your coworkers. It's really great. It's really easy. I know you're going to like it. So we're all blended up here. And really all you do is you pour it into a container. And you've got your liquid mozzarella cheese. I hope you found this fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're looking forward to the next 2 months with different vegan cheeses. Have a wonderful month. Peace.